Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming 3 essentials. Your device location is on, you're signed into a Google account, and the app is updated. Next, open Google Maps and choose your primary goal: commuting, discovering places, or managing a business listing, because that shapes which features you learn first. Start with a simple search and a saved place. This teaches search syntax and pin behavior. Once done, practice a route and save one favorite location, so you immediately see how lists and offline areas. Now focus on the middle, practical skills, route planning and situational awareness. Enter a destination, then switch between driving, transit, walking, and biking to compare estimated times. This shows trade-offs and alternate paths. Toggle traffic and satellite layers to read congestion and context. Use Street View to preview tricky intersections. Create and label lists for repeated places and download offline maps for areas with poor coverage. Together, these steps make navigation reliable and fast when you need it. Finish by refining your workflow and handling issues. Regularly contribute edits and add missing places so maps improves for you and others. This also unlocks local knowledge. Share routes or lists with contacts to coordinate trips and review your timeline to learn patterns. If something breaks, troubleshoot. Clear the app cache, confirm location permissions, ensure the app is updated, and toggle GPS off then on. If offline maps fail, re-download the specific region. That usually fixes corrupted tiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.